So I'm Sam, a researcher at Cardiff, where I'm leading new research focusing on ARFID. I'm also part of the NHS Wales ARFID steering group. I'm here to listen, to learn, and to stand alongside everyone here today. As a researcher, what has inspired me the most isn't an academic paper. It's hearing from the eating disorder community the urgent need for change. It's Dump the Scales, it's Beat, it's ARFID awareness, it's voices like Three Mums, One Mission and Lucy Morrison, people who've taken intensely personal experience, those who've been misunderstood or dismissed, and turned it into action for change. Now let's talk about why this march matters so much. Radical change is needed. In the UK, a parliamentary report found that the UK invested on average just £1.13 per person affected per year. £1.13, that's not even the cost of a coffee. We can do better as a society. Stigma and misunderstanding still shapes what gets studied, what gets funded, and what gets built into services. So my research focuses on ARFID. ARFID stands for Avoidant Restrictive Food Intake Disorder, where individuals either don't eat enough food or enough variety of foods. It can affect people of all ages, genders and body size. It affects around 1 to 5% of individuals. That's roughly 1 in 20 individuals at the upper end. This puts ARFID in the same ballpark as conditions such as ADHD and autism, where there's much better societal awareness. Another message from the research I want to clearly say today is that ARFID is not a phase. It's not an individual being difficult or picky. The research is showing this as a condition that has strong biological foundations. A major twin study has found that genetics plays a very significant role alongside environment. And that matters because it pushes back against blame. It supports what families have been saying for years. This is a real serious condition that deserves proper clinical care and proper research. So what do we do with all of this? My hope and our hope is that we're reaching a turning point. The community is coming together. People with lived experience, families and carers, clinicians, charities and researchers. And the future of eating disorder research has to be built with lived experience at the centre, shaping the questions we ask, the outcomes we measure and the services we design. And at Cardiff, we want to help close the gap to improve how ARFID is identified and to understand the different pathways for developing ARFID. And so at this march, I want to make a simple call. Let's work together to advance knowledge, understanding and clinical support for eating disorders. To funders and policymakers, invest properly in eating disorder research because you cannot improve what you refuse to invest and study. To researchers like me, partner with communities, share power and move faster. And to everyone here, please keep telling your experience, keep organising, keep pushing. You are already changing what the world can see. And I truly believe that together as one community, we can achieve so much more than any one individual can alone. Thank you.